Are your smoke detectors in the right places in your home? Will they work? Here are some common smoke alarm tips. Smoke detectors should be installed at least 10 feet away from cooking appliances and showers. Typical cooking smoke and steam from showers are common causes of false alarms. But if it has to be on the wall, make sure it is less than 12 inches from the ceiling to pick up on the earliest signs of fire. Place smoke alarms on each level of your home and close enough to wake anyone who may be sleeping.